Hey guys, in this video I want to show you, or more like explain to you, how I did this tarp right here. I'm not a big fan of roofs.
I hate it.
But I wanted to quickly shoot this video for you and just explain to you how this process works. What you're gonna need is a trowel, a knife, and some nails that look like this. They're called plastic cap nails. They're roofing nails. And then I also have this arm where it has magnets. I can hold a few nails at a time. It's a little easier. But essentially what you do is you take your trowel, pop it under, and you pop the one row. So you can see I did this row up. Make sure that your damage area is in the center of your tarp. But you basically put the tarp, I put about a couple inches in and then nailed it from the top. And then over here, I ended up cutting the corner and tucking it in under here just a little bit, not a lot. But then after that, you just basically every 6-8 inches or something like that, you just go around the entire area and nail it with these nails. And that's about it. If this was helpful, smash that like button and check out my next video right here.